spacious living and dining area. Get a very spacious and luxurious kitchen, and more spacious, you have space in all your bedrooms. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project La Serena by V Raheja Realty located in Kandivali West, Mumbai. And now, as you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, which is also the actual land parcel of the project. You can see this over here is the actual land parcel and the actual tower where the construction is in full swing. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 2.4 acres that has 7 towers of ground plus 22 story, having spacious 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences. Also, you have Jodi options available. Now, speaking of amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, salon and spa, business center, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Patel Nagar, Kandivali West, from where Dhanukarwadi metro station is at a distance of 5 minutes drive, Kandivali railway station is at a distance of 5 minutes drive, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 10 minutes drive, and you have school, colleges, hospital all within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. Now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now, we are entering your spacious 3 BHK of the residential project La Serena. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1025 square feet. As we entered, आपने देखा that you have a very spacious foyer area जहाँ से दो लोग आराम से enter कर सकते हैं at the same time. Towards the left of your entrance, you will get a very spacious and luxurious kitchen, and the best part, you will be getting fully modular kitchen with stainless steel sink and chimney provided. आपको आपके lower and upper cabinets भी provided मिलेंगे, and you have vitrified tiles in the whole flat. As you can see, even if you open your cabinet, आपके पास तब भी walkable space है और the depth of the cabinets is amazing. आपके पास space provided है to place your refrigerator and your washing machine on both the sides. Moving forward, and this over here is your spacious living and dining area, जहां आपका सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड होने वाला है. आप देख सकते हो आपका लिविंग कितना ज़्यादा स्पेशियस है. आप इजीली अपने लार्ज साइज सोफाज प्लेस कर सकते हो along with your center tables, and you can customize your TV units. Also, you will be getting 3/4 size French windows, जहां से you can see the actual view of the project as we are standing at the actual tower. Also, over here is your dining corner where you can easily place a 8 to 10 people dining table, and साथ ही you can see आपके पास कितना ज़्यादा walkable space है, so you can easily entertain a gathering of 10 to 15 people at the very same time. आपके friends and family आपकी तारीफ करते नहीं रुकेंगे because this house gives you the feel of luxury, comfort and everything that you need. Moving forward, over here is your alley area, जहाँ पे आपकी entrance है to the bedrooms and common washroom. First, on this side is your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings, which you can see is very spacious. And right opposite to your common washroom is your first bedroom that you can see is even more spacious. You can see you can customize your bedroom totally as per your choice, and the best part, you have plenty of walkable space. You can customize your wardrobe. You can see the depth in your wardrobe is very much that will store each and everything. You can customize your units. Again, आपको मिलेंगे 3/4 size French windows in this bedroom. And as you can see, you can customize your makeup corner or a study corner. You can use this place as you want. Moving forward, on this side is your second bedroom, जहाँ पे आप easily अपना king size bed place कर सकते हो. You can also make a seating corner and you can see a walkable space. And yet again, the wardrobe space is very spacious. The depth is great. You can customize a TV unit or a study table. Again, you will be getting 3/4 size French windows for beautiful views. And in this corner, we have a private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. And now let's enter to your third bedroom of this 3 BHK. You can see this bedroom is even more spacious. You have space in all your bedrooms. You have walkable space where you can easily walk, and in all your bedrooms you have great depth given at your wardrobe space as well. And you have 3/4 size French windows again for beautiful city views. And in this corner, you have a private washroom of this bedroom that is very spacious, and it will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this is a house that speaks luxury, comfort and space from every corner. And this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project La Serena. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project La Serena by Veeraheja Realty located in Kandivali West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.